Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Haven't said that in a minute. Just been kind of doing raw videos recently and stuff, but not today. It'll be a good day to go putz around for a little bit. Dog! Go putz around. Didn't even get a wheelie off of that. People are freaking so mad, boy. Oh yeah, a little bit. Little bit. Yeah. Today we're going to be riding this little track. I'll do a little putz lap so you can get an idea of what it looks like. This is the actual jump right here. I don't know if you can see that because I had to put my helmet down because there was a stick in my face. Now, I don't have goggles on. And this is a little turn. It's like a little S section. You go up, come down, and you're back in the jump. It's like a little tiny little thing. It's like a little jump and then it's a big one. Like that. I don't know, I'm trying to work it in again because I haven't ridden it in like a year. Come on, third gear. Yeah! I got a little too far back on the bike that time. Woo! Got a little sideways on that one. I'm gonna try second, try the third. Second, you can bark it a lot more, but third gear feels a lot more mellow. Yes, I am getting air off that little popper right there. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's a pretty nice little like loop thing. Why did it honk? Did it not turn on? Oh, I'm stupid. There it goes. I'm gonna try to honk mid-air. It's like the Surround Kids. Or Solario, or whatever you want to call it. V-bikes. That was funny. That was second. Hopefully those berms get made. Eventually. Sketchy on that one. I'm gonna rip the side over here. Sorry about that. I was chewing a piece of gum and I chewed it for so long that like it like got all like liquidy. I don't know how to describe it, but it was like complete like it wasn't even like gooey anymore or anything. It was like all just like liquid. I chewed it like, I don't know, 2 hours or something, so I guess it makes sense, but we're back in and out. Got a little air. No hander, footer only, standing up. Holy shit, I'm doing it. Holy fuck, I did it! I did it! Yay! That's the longest one yet. Whew. Happy I had that on camera, because I wasn't going to start recording until I was down here. Okay. We start at the top of the hill. Freaking bark busting over here. Okay. Yeah, that gum was freaking nasty. fucking big one. I went a little more left than usual. You can tell. Which you should be able to, because I have a wide camera, but you know. I know this shit's pretty boring, so you're probably just doing something else. Not watching me, but you know, I'm trying to be entertaining, but it's hard.